Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integration and the series. So now I will show you how to answer. If we do this integration, we can concentrate about s to the power of n in here. The integration of s to the power of n, we will have about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and then we can put the bounds for here. From 0 to number 1. Next, n plus 1, we simplify. Now, we can put number 1 and number 0 cone here. This one we can simplify and we just have like this. Now we need to find the value of this series in here. 4 to the power of n plus 1 we can put into 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of n. Now I can apply about geometric progression. So we want to find the sum of this one, so we will have about a number 1. That's about the first term in here equals to, when we put n equal to number 1, so we have 1 over 4 multiplied by number 4, and you have 1 over 16, and r is about the right, that's about 1 over 4. So the formula to find the sum of geometric progression, that should be about Hn equals to a number 1 over 1 minus r, and we have the final answer in here. So we have 1 over 12, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.